What's up? Dr. Ben here, and I want to give you a quick tour of Facebook Outbreak and show you exactly why this is a super powerful tool in my arsenal. All right, so when you first land inside of the Facebook Outbreak dashboard, you're going to see something that looks like this. All we have to do is set up a quick Facebook app so that our app from WordPress can communicate with Facebook. And when it does, we can pull email addresses from Facebook so we know every time someone opts in that we're getting a good email address. This is extremely powerful when you're building a list on Facebook, because if we're building a list from Facebook, we know that they're using a good email address on Facebook. So once we set that up, and it's extremely easy, I can show you how to do this in under about 2 minutes. So once we do that, we have a place where we can actually set up our autoresponder. So this is where you connect your autoresponder in. We support out of the box MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, and Constant Contact. So all the majors. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to set up an email list. So if we wanted to set up a certain account, and I already have a few set up, we would go in and actually set them up. Now all of these connect through your autoresponders API except for Aweber. With Aweber, you just type in the name of your list and you're good to go. So we type that in, and as you can see, it goes to the bottom of the screen. You can see all the lists we have here. The real beautiful thing about this is you can move a MailChimp list, a GetResponse list, and an Aweber list, multiple Aweber lists, multiple GetResponse lists. You can put all your different autoresponders in, or different lists from different autoresponders in, all at the same time. Okay, so once we get those in, we get our list programmed in and connected, now we have to go in and actually build a link. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to build a link, and we're going to say, we're just going to use Ben Atkins main. So this is going to be what we've got set up here. I'm going to connect it to my Ben Atkins list. And this is my URL of where I want to land them if they are successful in confirming. It's going to go to a Facebook app, and when they confirm it, we land them on a page. If they don't confirm it, I'm going to take them to a different page. Now the next section here, we actually have a place for a short URL, and I'm just going to do bin test for this one, and then I'm actually going to create this link. Okay, so it says our keyword is already in use, so let's just do that. Very handy, very error friendly. It's not going to let you do anything to mess up. So we've got a couple things here. We're going to actually do this. So bin test, it gives us a short URL, which is nice. You can use that URL in a forum, anywhere on the net. You can put it in an email. You can lock it up with a button. You can do anything you want. So what happens is, as soon as someone clicks on a button with that link, or a link in a forum, it's going to take them to this. And instantly you can see it's Ben's VIP list. And when we do that, all we have to do is click the Go To app. As soon as I do that, it's actually going to take me to the page I told it to take me. Now, that's cool. This could be our landing page. I'm just taking them to a blog. But the real key here, the real key is they are now on my email list. They've been sent a confirm, and as soon as they do that, they're going to be inside. So if you run this with Squeeze Pages, if you're doing anything where someone wants to be on your list, you're getting a beautiful way that they opt in, and it's all handled through Facebook, so you get a great email address, and you're not getting any fake ones. Now, something else that's extremely cool, you need to see this. You can always, of course, go to our help tab. We'll have videos to walk you through. But with our report section, you can actually see we've got so many subscribers on this list, how many males, how many females, and if you actually click into this section, it's going to show you who's on your list, if they're male or female, the email address they signed up with, and you actually get to see a picture of them inside this list. So these are just some of my friends that have been helping me test out, because they're awesome. But guys, Facebook Outbreak, I know you're going to love this. It's something that's extremely easy to use, and it adds a ton of value to your email marketing, because now you're not getting throwaway email addresses. You're getting their email address that's attached to Facebook, which is a much better list to have across the board. So Dr. Ben here. I hope you love Facebook Outbreak. This is our in-house tool that we've been using, and I think you're going to love this, but grab it quick. We're not going to keep this up for long. All right, I will talk with you really soon. Enjoy this offer.